Chapati Rolex, it's a very renowned street food in Kenya. So let's see how we can make some Chapati Rolex in your home. So with me here, I have my ingredients. I have my chapatis. So these some homemade chapatis, very soft layered. So I made these in my previous video. Make sure to go and see that video. And when I say they are soft layered, this is what I mean. They are very soft and they are layered chapatis. So the whole video and description and details are on my channel. So I also have 3 eggs, I have some salt, and then I have some oil. So let's get into that. So I'll beat my eggs in my bowl, then add salt, then we'll fry the egg. Remember, if you wish to spice up your Rolex, you can also add into the green pepper, the red pepper, either your tomatoes, your onions. You can add them in your mixture to make a very spicy Rolex. So I have a very consistent mixture. And my eggs. Then turn this. So our egg and chapati is done. So this is what we have. So this is what we have. So as the name goes, a Rolex. So we are rolling our chapati and the egg together. So these are complete or end product, the chapati Rolex. You can have this as a snack. You can also have this as a main course because we have protein and carbs. So I hope you try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out, and please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.